I am Vivek Bajpayee. Now I am going to start class 10th Maths ICSC and the topic is GST. Please like, subscribe and share my channel and watch also because it also counts and encourage me. Thank you. Now I start. First of all, the tax start. We have two types of taxes, direct and indirect. Direct tax is income tax. Indirect taxes are many. But now the GST comes into. All the central taxes merge into the GST. Excise duty, custom duty, service tax, state taxes also involved in this. Octroi, entry, VAT, entertainment, lottery, luxury. Some terms are also in the GST, intrastate, interstate, input GST, output GST. And unpacked, the taxes on unpacked things 0, for the common use item 5%, standard rate 12%, maximum goods 18%, luxury and tobacco extra 28%. First sum, a consumer buys a fridge whose mark price is 36,000 from the dealer at a discount of 15%. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the amount of tax paid by the consumer for the purchase and the total amount that the consumer pays for the fridge. MP of the fridge is 36,000. Rate of discount 15%, 36,000, 15%, 5,400. SP 36,000, 5,400 minus it is 30,600. Rate of GST 18%. The amount tax paid by the consumer 18% of 30,600. It is 5,508. The amount which the consumer pay for the fridge, cost of fridge to customer plus GST, it is total 36,108. An article is marked at 15,000. A dealer sells it to the consumer at 10% profit. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the SPs of article, the amount of tax paid by the consumer, total amount paid by the consumer. Profit 10% of the 15,000, it is 1,500. SP's CP plus profit, it is 16,500. Tax 12% of 16,500, it is 1980. Add this. The total amount paid by the consumer 16,500 plus 1980, it is 18,480. Next sum. Question number 4. A shopkeeper buys an article from a wholesaler from 20,000 and sell it to a consumer at a 10% profit. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the tax liability. GST paid by the shopkeeper 12%. It is 2,400. Profit of the shopkeeper 10% of 20,000. It is 2,000. Then SP for the consumer, it is 22,000. Tax paid by the consumer 12% of the 22,000, it is 2,640, and the tax paid by shopkeeper 2,640 minus 2,400, it is 240. Question number 2. A shopkeeper buys goods worth 4,000 and sells them at a profit of 20% to the consumer in the same state if GST is charged at 5%. SP of the goods find करना है, CGST, SGST and total amount paid by the consumer. Profit 20% of 4,000, it is 800. SP is 4,000 plus 800 is 4,800. Tax CGST 5 by 2 of 4,800, it is 120. SGST is 120. Total amount 4,800 plus 240, it is 5,040. Mr. Bedi visit the market and buy the following articles: medicine costing 950, GST 5%. Pair of shoes costing 3,000, GST 18%. A laptop by costing 1,000 with a discount of 30%, GST 18%. Calculate the total amount of GST paid and the total bill amount including the GST. GST at medicine 5%, it is 47.5. GST at the shoe, it is 18% of 3,540. Discount at laptop 30% of 1,000 is 300. SP 1,000 minus 300 is 700. GST 18% of 700, it is 126. Total GST 47.5. 540, 126, it is 713.5. Total bill 950 plus 3000 plus 700 is 4650, that is SP. And total with the tax, it is 5363.5. A dealer buys an article for 6,000 from a wholesaler and the dealer sells the article to the consumer at 15% profit. If the sales are intrastate and the rate of the GST is 18%, find the input CGST, input SGST paid by the dealer, output GST, output SGST collected by dealer, and the net GST and SGST paid by the dealer, the total amount paid by the consumer. GST input 18% of 6,000, it is 1080. Input CGST, SGST, it is divided into two parts, 540, 540. Profit 15% of 6,000 is 900. SP 6,000 plus minus 6,900. Tax 18% of 6,900 is 1242. Output CGST 1242 divided into two parts, 621, 621. Net CGST 621 and 540. It is 81. Total amount paid by the consumer is 6,900 plus 1080 plus 162. It is 8162. Thank you.